delicious Šmorn with raisins.
Hi, welcome to my Slovenian kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Šmorn. We used to make it every weekend for brunch. It's so easy to make, yet it's so decadent.
You're going to need sugar, vanilla, raisins, eggs, salt, margarine or butter, milk, rum, and flour.
Take half a cup of raisins and add rum till it just covers them and let it sit for half an hour. Crack 2 eggs and separate the whites from the yolk. Salt to taste, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Add 1/4 cup of flour.
And beat your egg whites.
And we fold the egg whites in here. Add a tablespoon of butter or margarine. Turn the stove to medium-low.
Drain your raisins and sprinkle them on. Fry about 5 minutes per side. Sprinkle with sugar and serve with jam.
And this is homemade jam. I use plum, but you can use raspberry or any jam you want. Отлично. Put some of that leftover rum.